Yeah. And this is the world we live in.
This is the one with my ocean.
Here, it's your turn. Oh, everything looks so green, don't it? Even all the fucking houses, man. I mean, you fucked up looking trees out there. I'm on top of the world, looking down on creation. Only part of that song I know. I'm on top of the world, looking down on creation. I can't even think of nothing that rhymes with creation. Physation, flagation, masturbation. I'm on top of the world, looking down on creation.
And I'm full of inspiration.
As I practice masturbation and come all over the world. Oh, what's that building all the way down there? You see that thing?
The skinny one?
Yeah, it's just like sticking out out of nowhere.
That's at the colleges. I tried climbing that once.
Did you really?
I didn't make it. John Bouvion got up it though. I got scaled.